Hey, dziyabuya vhathu vachidziyabuya non-stop nangadzina ngadwani duka ndiswana ndi mwana ndi wa mahungoni, and this is the Van Rap Radio. I know most of us, we love to check social media. We go online, read mapungo na mini rabara zote ra checka zozinzo zikuitea, and then if ni mwa batebeli na wandi batebeli ba pambiri le nebze fideli san ninga dono zibona ninge mrawa ran February wana mapungo musiba chikuva chivisa chitori chori gomba Makhadzi hosuke heya barelwa uya uperforma live ka Rhythm City zozasiya zichiko bilinganya zwithu haningei zozasiya sokufara bathu ba Rhythm City nga ndira yavudi, and then wakwambori according to insider yavo she was meant to perform ngalelo duo but she never arrived. So nitobela zwavudi chitori chone chiri Limpopo born star ndivudzanyi Makhadzi Ralivona allegedly left the producers of ETV popular soap Rhythm City in the lounge when she failed to pitch this morning. This was after being booked for the performance and appearance on the show. According to the insider, the singer was meant to perform today, but she never arrived. Mapungoraro ndi mapungora dzwari kwa wana man uziona story apo nonika kama bambiri wadzwa kwamba zinowa kwamba zone, but ene gomba osika aba kwamba zori one thing I have learned is that there are people who are busy planning on how they are going to destroy my career because they know that they can't stop me from doing what I love. I'm saying this because of these lies. I managed to go to Rhythm City on time. So ukwamba zori ene osika ngachipinga asukaita zinoita zone zawa kutodora zone hanenge asuka hune abori wa performer. So ichi chitori chitothomo zwavudi arali ndori athongo kuno chindasi ndo athongo chibya zwavudi nyana abara ndi batsitsela zwavudi ndi basembedze zori zwavudi vudi echo lithomeli pungo otolibeya zwavudi akhwamba uri samwimbi ane abori ukadiro thoma zwithu zwo radio zwiyaiteya ndi zwithu zwine vhathu vatozi expecta. So abantu basembedze chipida hechi changa hangeno musaitozi yambari. As an upcoming musician, one thing I have learned is that there are people who are busy planning on how are they going to destroy my career because they know that they can't stop me from doing what I love. I'm saying this because of lies, of these lies. I managed to go to Rhythm City and on time. Okay, one thing I think she also need to do sometimes to ignore vhathu vonongane vandu ignore stories zonanga zvenezvi ngori rote ria zwidiwa zori ngo ido bvela khagala musi chipida chawe hecho che aya performa kana chicha recordiwa ngalelo duba le avakotodea chidobva TV ni tiri ene chichibva vhathu vha ḓo ḓivha ngoho instead ori adzulele akho defender chitori chimwe na chimwe she becomes a target because vha ḓo zori u ḓo overreact, and then they're gonna use the same thing or the same story chiva chithoma cha mprovoka ngacho uri achipedza upindula vha ḓo dovha vha ṅwala zwiṅwe nga haye vakongwana musi. So the best way ndi she needs to learn to ignore some of these stories because the media always have something to say. Ndi zwine zwa zwone vha dzona mapungo ane vha ḓo vha khou amba. So Khaladzi, she needs to learn sometimes just ignore these people man, play like angangozibona because nichibutwani ko amba nabo you just give them the power to talk and write more about you and say a lot of stories and more stuff ngoraro vakongwana musi. But yeah, seziyamba zone apa kwamba zori nope ava vathu avanoni vakumwambela sizone ene oya ashuta uzeya kodori ashute zone. So I hope guys we're gonna wait and check this out. Musako performane I know probably in the next 2-3 months. Yeah, probably there she'll be no, I think it's a month or 2 months. I forgot how many months or how many weeks behind. But yeah, we're hoping to see her perform then. And then the one who have a newspaper dorimi ndiamba daily sun inevas diozora kama gozi kama punga so go direko tingwanela zuzwavo redermin aona na zwimwe mengadzina ndidoka nsona ndi mwando amahangona. This is the Van Rap Radio and Venda Music and Entertainment. So make sure that if you're new on this channel and you're looking for the latest updates on local stuff and international from time to time, you hit the subscriber button. Vachipedora subscribe button vado vaputedze na kuduloga kubela kuri yeah man, you get notification musere chiposta aona na zwimwe nangadzina la namba zonda ndiduka ndisona ndi mwana ndo amahangoni amara here Makhadzi zwimwe zwithu khazorise nga moya ndawo ya ndoni.